Alright, little update on the truck. Been working on it for the last few weeks. Working on the rear brakes, converting them to disc, putting new lines all the way through. I have it to where the back brakes are blocked off with a plug, and I got the front brakes bled so I can actually move it in and out of the garage, because the next few steps are going to require welding on the back of it. So now I'm to the point where I got a new battery in it, got a temporary mounted fuel cell. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it says safety right on the can. What could go wrong? Wonder what could be wrong. Had a small fuel leak. Hopefully that's remedied. Hopefully we got fuel pressure now. I believe that was the whole problem. But I'm still not getting fuel. No leak this time. I've come to the conclusion that my injectors are clogged. I have to take this apart. Just took it off the top of the throttle body. Disconnected the fuel lines, fuel line adapters, and see how gummy it is in there from sitting for 6-8 years. Wish me luck. There's a lot of dirt. I believe that's my problem. Well, it's all tore apart, but I got lucky. Parts were in stock in town, so I might actually have it running today. No. I'll put it back together. I like putting the air cleaner back on in case there's a backfire, but shouldn't be. But let's go. Well, maybe the injectors are bad at this point. Have to go check. Welcome to my generic injector cleaner. Just shoved the injector straight into this hose, put a pinhole for the straw, pressurize it with cleaner, then give her some juice so it'll actuate. So I think I got them cleaned. Can throw them back in and see what happens. Not even wet. Different problem then, because I did get them to actuate. Gotta dig deeper. But it's a new distributor, so I'm hoping that's my problem. The old one, all the connectors are just completely rusted over. Everything in there is nasty. Yeah, I mean, you can see that ain't gonna work. These ones aren't bad, but they're actually weather protected, where these ones just did not like being out in the weather. And even though the truck never had the hood open, still just a lot of moisture that collects when you don't run the vehicle. So let's see if she'll fire. I actually believe my problem to be a gasket leak. There was some fuel moisture all across the bottom here. I actually have two gaskets, one for the manifold and then one for the top of the spacer here. And then I also know I have vacuum leaks back here. Those two little ports just had rubber covers on them, completely dry rotted. I'm gonna take them out and actually put in pipe plugs. Oh, I don't have that problem anymore. Hopefully that'll make it run nice. Got her mostly cleaned up. First I'm gonna be throwing it back on and see if I can get her to run. Pretty interesting, these old throttle body units. This is the smaller one. It's actually off of a 350 or 305. I have it on a 454, 90 pound/hour injectors each. But it runs pretty good when it runs.